Right, so I noticed this here, Marmite pizza on this Marmite, and thought it sounded quite interesting. I don't think it'll taste that good, to be honest, but I'm gonna give it a go, see how it tastes. So I looked up the website, and they said to go to half a cup of soy milk or dairy milk for the dough. 2 tablespoons Marmite warmed, 1 tomato roughly chopped, half an onion sliced. Okay, so 2 cups of flour, but I'm going to make it with half a cup. And they use milk instead of water by the look of it for the dough. I'm going to make it exactly as I say. I'm just going to half it. Mix the flour, and they use baking powder, which is good because I can't really be bothered waiting at the moment. It is going to be quite hard to spread this on top of the dough, but they do say to warm it first and use a warm knife. Preheat the oven, they say, to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. 1 cup flour. Just a bit more. Teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Quarter will do. And 2 tablespoons of oil. How many teaspoons in a tablespoon? 3? Maybe. Quarter cup of milk. Probably be enough. Just a wee bit more. Probably a bit too much there actually now, but we'll just need that for a minute. Perfect. Just going to cook it on a pizza tray too, like they say. Not using the stone today. Yikes. Still a bit wet, isn't it? Marmite. They don't really say the best way to warm the Marmite, but I'm going to boil some water for the knife. Boil some water in a pot and put like a little cup of Marmite in there. Put the Marmite here. That's actually quite soft, probably because it's summer. It's quite hot at the moment. Actually, probably just need to get a knife warm. The key with this stuff, if you haven't had it before, like when you put it on toast, it's nice if it's just a little bit, but if you have too much, it just ruins it. So that's the key. Probably should have boiled a bit more water, but hopefully that's all good. And where's the water? Just gonna dip my knife in that. Get this, there we go. It's gonna be hard because we don't want too much, we don't want water on it either, really. We don't want too much Marmite, but gotta just get a bit on there. It's the key. And this replaces the sauce, so we're not using tomato sauce or anything. That's way too much, far too much. Need to spread that out if I can. Surprised how easy it actually is though to spread on the stove. Okay, I think that will do. Yep, I think that's enough. And next is the cheese. Could honestly just make it like this with cheese. They do say tomatoes and red onion. That should do for the cheese. I like a red onion on mine, so just going to chuck some red onion and some sun-dried tomato I'm going to chuck on. And yep, in the oven they say 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Normally I cook mine for about 10 on a pizza stone at 250 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to do as the recipe says and cook it at 180 for 20 minutes. I should have probably greased the tray too, like I said, but oh well. Let's give it a try. It's quite interesting actually, it's not that bad. Probably dried out a bit. The flavour though, it's not too bad. It's quite interesting. As long as you don't put too much on, I reckon. But yeah, better than I thought it would be.